Mastering the basics. Draft a post, explained. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore what it means to draft a post. Whether you're new to blogging, social media, or just the phrase itself, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the term but also know how to use it effectively. So, let's dive in. When we say draft a post, we're talking about the process of creating a preliminary version of a written piece. This could be a blog post, a social media update, or even an email. The key point here is that a draft is not the final version. It's a work in progress, something that you can revise and refine. Drafting is an essential part of writing because it allows you to organize your thoughts and ideas without the pressure of perfection. It's the stage where you can make mistakes, experiment with different approaches, and find the best way to convey your message. Remember, when you're drafting, you're in a judgment-free zone. Drafting effectively means giving yourself the freedom to write. Here are a few tips. Write freely and let your ideas flow without worrying about grammar or spelling. Organize your thoughts with bullet points or numbered lists. Take a break and return with fresh eyes to revise your draft. Once you're happy with your draft, it's time to polish it. This means checking for grammar, clarity, and coherence. It's also the time to make sure your post aligns with its intended purpose, audience, and tone. The final step is to give it a title, add any necessary images or links, and then, you're ready to publish. Drafting a post is a crucial skill in the digital world, and I hope this video helps you feel more confident in crafting your own posts. Remember, the draft is your creative playground, so have fun with it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy writing!